and we will get there soon. Before that, we would request our founder, Sri Imani Shivakumar Garu, to please step forward and speak to us. He is the dynamic, the energetic, the sportive, and yes, this is his mastermind idea. So, ladies and gentlemen, with a huge round of applause, let's welcome the dynamic Sri Imani Shivakumar. Yes, he has given all of us the platform to shine, motivating us to excel further.
It's a great pleasure to say anything. I would like to request, as every religion, every community has a practice of wishing. We do have a practice of wishing, but we don't do as we expected. But I take this platform as an opportunity to request one and all, let's wish ourselves as Jai Vasavi. Little more please. Jai Vasavi. Thank you. Good evening friends. I'm extremely delighted to welcome you all to this first ever Vaishya Limelight Awards. Permit me to say here that the awards were the outcome of my long study of the Vaishya business and professional community and the search for the best ways and means to empower the members of the community. During this long process, I discovered a niche that the community was not formally celebrating the achievements and success stories of its members, and there existed a need for the honoring such people. Awards or rewards for an excellence. They encourage excellence. It is one of the ways to connect with the community, care and share and grow as community. We decided right then that we will make essential efforts to identify and reward successful individuals and business organizations from the Vaishya community. Considerable energies have been put in for identifying rare skills and business which are unique and disruptive. My experience of launching and managing Vaishya Business Network, a one-of-its-kind business network, and it gave me, I can say proudly, saying that whatever the little fame or the name or little social circle which I earned because of Vaishya Business Network, I can say proudly once again, thank you. I felt that changing dynamics of community and the marketplace need a changing thought process, and hence I conceptualized Vaishya Limelight in Active, a consultation with a person called Mr. Chandrasekhar, an experienced strategy consultant. Several members of the Vaishya community poured in their name, their time and energies, and helped me create this wonderful platform to celebrate achievers. I am grateful to each one of them members who supported me, and especially the sponsors who did not lose faith in me even when the award event had get repeatedly postponed because of the COVID pandemic. My special thanks to Bigala Ganeshana, who gave us an opportunity to invite Mr. KTR Garu, but due to COVID, we could not able to utilize the opportunity. Post of the particular postponement of the event, KTR Anna, we were interested to call again, but because of the time, short time notice, we did not much requested to Bigalana. Even though he tried, he helped us in getting all motivation to do the event once again. At the same time, I would like to recognize Mr. Anil Kamisetti Anna, who is instrumental in today's getting the chief guest, Vellampalli Srinivas Garu, to our platform. And I humble thanks to Anil Kamishetiana. I can expect you to please make yourself to visible to everybody. Can you please stand up if you don't mind? Spotlight, please. Vellanpalli garu, God gave you a great opportunity to be the Minister of Endowments. Without a shower of blessings from the God, getting such an opportunity to serve to entire temples and devotional things, it is not that easy. ఏ జన్మలో ఏ పుణ్యం చేసుకున్నారో ఈ జన్మలో మీకు ఈ అవకాశం దొరికింది. హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్ టు యూ. ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఎవ్రీబడీ టు గివ్ గుడ్ రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ అప్లాస్. And I say proudly, Bigalanna is from my native place, that is Nizamabad. Anna? When I was there in Nizamabad, when Bigalanna came into the politics, we were always in assumption that he is from NRI, came back from USA. That is what I remember that when I was speaking to him, he was recollecting, yes, he do travel to US very frequently. That is what made people feel NRI, but he always serving everybody in the Nizamabad. And the speciality of Anna is whoever goes to his place, he never say no. And whatever the reason, if he asks for an appointment, he always gives a red carpet. And as per me, especially from Nizamabad constituency, he is the first person who got second time continuously MLA. Proud of him. Thank you, Anna. Please give a good round of applause. Most of you noticed that other communities were fusing their energies for the development of their own community. In spite of there being over 400 plus Vaishya community organizations, we did not have a single major platform for recognizing achievers and performance. My initiative was in this direction. Each and one of the awardees were the outcome of diligent search process and tough jury process. My congratulations to winners. I am very small to say to them because the people who are taking today awardees, we are not giving the awardees. They are accepting the awardees from me. First time Vaishya Limelight Award. It's very small and we are not eligible to tell them that we are giving the awardees. We say that you are taking an awardees, you are giving us an opportunity to give awardees. Please give a round of applause to all the awardees who are taking to the award. And here, I would like to first recognize the jury. The very first time when we decided this particular process, we did happen to learn something. Very tough to take the name of the magazine because it's a big magazine, but we have taken a couple of points from the magazine stating that a person who is interested to, who thinks that he would like to nominate himself, he can nominate himself, or X can nominate Y, or an organization can nominate, or our 20 plus people who are there, they recommended some of the names. Like this, we got 680 applications for the nominations as a Vaishya Limelight Awards nominations. In this, we scrutinized 600 nominations minus and 80 applications we kept to the jury. The 600 nominations which are minus is one is all the sponsors who sponsored, their families are not eligible. The people who helped for this particular cause, their families are minus. The team which worked for this particular organization, AIM, they were removed from this and 80 kept in front of the jury. The jury are, from the day when we like to say that we like to select a jury, one is as an IAS officer, IPS officer, IRS officer, a philanthropist and a businessman. In this particular aspect, we got an opportunity to convince our Gauda Srivas garu, who was our mentor and motivator and who happened to be very good instrumental in many organizations, who accepted our request as a jury. I would like to thank Gauda Srivas garu for it. Thanks a lot. And in the similar way, where we got another opportunity to thank Mr. Gajala Yoganand garu for accepting as an award. And our humble thanks to you. And our next jury is IPS Shivakumar garu and IRS Vimla Srinivas garu, IAS Jagdishwar garu. This is the panel which happened to scrutiny all the applications which are there in front of him. And if Gaura Srinivas garu, if you permit me, I take one example how seriously the jury taken place. Please excuse me if I speak something wrong. There is an application which was related to Gaura Srinivas garu, which we don't know. He was told very clearly, for this particular application, I am not going to judge. That much, even we don't know that that particular application belongs to Srinivas garu. That was transparency that comes only with their experience, but not nothing else. Thanks a lot, and hats off to you. In a similar fashion, another incident is today you might experience one more person's name which I don't want to speak. Even the similar passion was not accepted by another jury because until the awardee is not disclosed, I don't want to say that is the reason I am not talking about the jury who was similarly acted, stating that for showing application, I am not going to vote. So this much transparency is maintained. I just complete with this speech, and I would like to say that last but not least, that today people who have not got the awards, it does not mean that they are not deserved for the awards. The awards are left over. Maybe next season, where people going to get. That is how, in this particular day, there is some processes maintained. That is how the awardees are selected. In the future, more awardees are going to be announced. Now I take an opportunity to Sharon to take the call. Thanks a lot. Thanks for giving me an opportunity to speak to you. Thanks one and all.